Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel today. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Google Nest Mini. So this is the second generation. I was able to get this for free from my Spotify premium membership. And I thought I'd do a little unboxing today because it's something cool that I've always wanted to look at. I haven't used the Google Nest Mini before. I've had a couple of friends who's had them and I've seen them use it. And it seems pretty cool, it seems pretty loud. I do have the Amazon Alexa. I'm pretty sure I did an unboxing on that in the channel. But let's get started with this Google Nest Mini and we'll see what it's all about. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, so to get it open, I'm just gonna use my fingers. So originally these are around $70 Canadian. I'm not sure how much the American counterparts would be. I'm pretty sure it's a lot cheaper just because of the dollar exchange. So on the back of the box it says it's small and mighty. We're gonna see if that's true today. I probably won't use it today in this video, but if you wanna see a video with that, let me know in the comments below and I can make a video of that. So I chose I believe this is the charcoal color, it doesn't say on the box, but there was a couple options I could choose from. It's really small. It's actually quite light. I didn't expect it to be that light. On the back, it's like a rubberized coating. It looks like there's a small mic button, so you can mute it. And then it looks like you can actually wall mount the Google Nest Mini, which is really cool. I've never seen that before. But yeah, you could mount your wall speaker. I don't know if I would mount it because I probably won't use it that much. But it's a very cool device. So inside the box, we have the power adapter, and it's a Google power adapter. It kind of reminds me of the Apple unboxing experience, but it's like the Google version. The cord is really nicely wrapped, so that way it doesn't have any kinks in it when you unwrap it. So that's really nice, and it has a really nice texture to the cord compared to like an Apple product cord. This one's really smooth. So let's see what else is in the box. Looks like it comes with a little bit of instructions. Looks like that's it for the Mini. It's a really solid box. It's got some real heft to it. It's definitely a premium box. I don't know if I would pay $70 for that unboxing experience though. But it's all about the product. So to get started, it looks like you just plug it in and then you gotta download the app. And then say, hey Google. So I'd have to connect this to my internet. I'm currently using my cell phone to record this video. If you want to see another video on the Google Nest working and what I think of it, let me know. This was just a quick unboxing of the Google Nest and what comes in the box. So this is what comes with the free premium from Spotify. This is the free one. It's the same as the one that you would buy at Best Buy or any other location. And it seems like it's really good quality. I might test it out. Maybe I'll like it. I did use my Alexa for a while. I just didn't find the point of using it because usually I just type into Google what I want to see, or if I want to play something, I usually just play it off my phone. I did use the Alexa as a desktop speaker now. It's not connected to Wi-Fi, and I just used it as an aux in on the back side. It looks like the Google Nest Mini doesn't have an aux in, so I'm not able to do that. But I'm going to try and use it and we'll see what it is like. I'll listen to a little bit of Spotify on it and maybe I'll get back to you with another video. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.